Is your child just learning to read the Quran or becoming a better Muslim too? Qur'an and Akhlaaq classes for kids in the UK, a complete Islamic upbringing. The best among you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Looking for more than just Quran recitation? We teach a child fluent Quran reading with Tajweed, beautiful Islamic manners, Akhlaaq, respect for parents, elders and humanity, how to become a good human and practicing Muslim. Taught with love, patience and 12 years of experience, UK and USA. Available 24/7, flexible scheduling. Male and female teachers available. 3 days free trial, no commitment needed. Online one-to-one classes. Progress tracking plus monthly reports. English and Urdu speaking tutors. Affordable monthly fee, no hidden charges. Safe, secure and friendly environment. हमारा मकसद सिर्फ कुरान पढ़ना नहीं, बल्कि उस पर अमल करना और बच्चों को बेहतरीन इंसान बनाना है.
Our goal is not just to teach Quran recitation, but to help children act upon it and become the best version of themselves.
100% satisfaction from UK and USA families. Join hundreds of happy parents. Message us now or WhatsApp +92 34433 49062. Limited slots. Book free trial today.